in rough notebook. All right. So, children, let us begin with the question and answer finding round, right? And the first question before you is, what did Nishad give Mr. Nath? Why? है ना? So here people have raised their hands, and I should call. Yeah, Ruthi, what do you think? What could be the answer? Very nice. But jahan wherever you have used will, you make it to past tense. It will be would. Okay, would. Okay, nice. Who else? Swain is interested. Yes. Ankit, speak loudly. Hmm. So, where Rudy has highlighted the real intention of Seven, that actually he wanted to be friend with him so that he could get an invitation from Mr. Nath, and upon getting the invitation, he may get a chance to peek inside his room and what is there all in his trunk and in his room, right? Whereas Ankit is to believe that he was quite, hungry, and for Nishad, he was starving himself. So he thought to uh, offer him a bar of chocolate, right? Okay. Who else? Friends? Have you found? Anybody from online? Yashmit, what could be the answer? Yeah, what could be the answer? Because of the lean appearance of Mr. Nath. Lean का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? Lean means very sleek, slim, thin, right? He was not very fatty. He was not very healthy. So he thought, who he? Nishad, or or fondly known as Seven. Seven thought that he must be starving. He could not get food all his, all during all his days in Shankar house in room number 10. So why not to help him? So because of that, he might have offered, right? All right, that's it. Samiksha, have you written? Okay, so I think we can move forward, and the comprehension check does not seem to be very tough. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? Strange. Yeah, Bhavish. I give you a chance. Mm-hmm. ठीक है बैठिए. Since it is asked the strange part, so when such question comes in exam, the best technique is to go for a comparison. Actually, when you compare, as you have paid attention, the way these brother and the sister will talk and they will reason out each other. One has a strong liking for Mr. Nath and one has a strong disliking for Mr. Nath. So every time they would say, no, how can you call him a crook? I don't think so. You cannot call him a criminal until we have found something against him, right? So you can always compare that. Usually the person would never come out of his room. He has nobody. He never mind what is he eating, right? He gave tips generously. But there is one man who would appear to his door and to his room every Sunday, and that is the same person. So that was very strange. Have you got my point? And this way you may attempt the answer. To the people who are online, who would like to say the question of question number two, answer of question number two. Okay, Satya Rani is Satya Rani. Okay, okay, Mayank, I'll give you chance. I'll give you chance. Yes, Satya. Okay. And Mayank, what do you think after Mayank? Okay. So that was the strange part, है ना? Aditya, what you have to say? After Aditya is Samiksha. All right, nice. So, in short, you people have understood, Samiksha. What can be the answer of the third one? Third one. Arey, why not? Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Why did? There is a fact based reason. There was some rainy day. Yes or no? So the same answer, same reason has to be cited. Hmm. Correct. So you all agree? You all can write. Listen, what you can write, we should go ahead. Right, Rohit? Have you understood? Do you carry any doubt? Okay. So, yeah. Now, working with the text, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange the information as suggested below. अब आपको ये जो चीज है बुलेट पॉइंट्स विच आर मेंशन हियर यू नीड टू कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन on each bullet from the chapter. This is how this question has to be attempted. First bullet, what he eats. So he would order any dish. He would order any dish. Okay, then how would you write this? All right. So is this chapati and the adequate diet? Is it mentioned in chapter? Tell the page number. Yes. So you have found the answer. So two chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable, है ना? So this should be the answer of this question. Okay. Now, okay, so the next bullet says that when he eats, the first is related with what? In the morning? Can you please speak one by one? Morning and afternoon. I guess you people have quite did good detective research on the answers, and I believe you can write down the answers on your own. Should I take up the next chapter? All right. What about the people who are online? Offline people are showing enough of, loud cheer and chaos. Ma'am, this is the answer. Ma'am, this is the answer. So I believe you also can do it on your own. Should I take up and go ahead? Okay.